Hello. Good morning. Good noon. Good afternoon or good evening, depending on what time you are seeing this video right now. This video is intended to be as viewer-friendly as possible by incorporating a standard US English voiceover to ensure that our message is properly understood by the majority of our viewers, particularly those in other regions of the world. So please keep watching as we share one of our daily, simple, at-home dishes with you. In this video, we'll show you how to make a delicious banana cake in a quick and easy manner. No bake. There are no specialized kitchen tools required for preparation or cooking. Costing is included in this 8-minute video for an easy-to-follow step-by-step procedure. So, please continue viewing the entire video for more information. Cost estimate mentioned herein is based on the specific measurement as needed, and may vary depending on the prevailing commodity prices in your locality. Also, you need to consider that you cannot buy just 1/2 cup of cake flour, 1/2 cup evaporated milk, 1/2 cup brown sugar, 1 cup white sugar, etc. These are our ingredients: ripe green banana, cake flour, evaporated milk, eggs, brown sugar, white sugar, baking soda, salt, cooking oil, vanilla flavor. Procedure: peel the bananas. Mash the bananas using fork. For more videos and other contents, we invite you to please visit our main channel at youtube.com/Cebucheapsite. Afterwards, beat the eggs. Add the oil. Add the evaporated milk and mix well. Add the white sugar while continue mixing. Add the brown sugar and mix thoroughly. If you like gardening contents, we invite you to please visit our urban gardening channel at Cebucheapsite Gartenstil. Strain the cake flour to make sure that only the fine flour will be used. Mix thoroughly. Add the salt. Mix well. Add the vanilla flavor. Mix well continuously. Add the mashed bananas and mix thoroughly. Preheat the steamer and allow to boil first before putting the tray. Pour to molding tray. Thank you for dropping by to our channel. If this is your first time to be here, we invite you to please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so that you will be notified every time we can upload new video. Thanks. First tray. Cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, check if already cooked. Well done using a toothpick. Second tray. Again, cook for 45 minutes. Second tray testing. Done. This is the finished product. Ready to serve. Now slice it according to your desired sizes. Then serve. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video by giving us a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we can upload new video.